Good morning, sir. I am Minsitman Wendell L. Bayentos, BSMT, Section G2A. This is my recitation in Colregs. Rule 1 application. These rules shall apply to all vessels upon the high seas and in all water connected therewith navigable by seagoing vessel. Section B. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of official roles made appreciate authority for roadsteads, harbors, rivers, lakes, or inland waterways connected with the high seas navigable by seagoing vessel. Such as special rules shall conform as closely as possible to these rules. Section C. Nothing in these rules shall interfere with the operation of any special rules made by government of any state with respect or additional station or signals, light, shape, or whistle signals for ship of war and vessel proceeding under convoy or with respect to additional station or signals, the light shapes for fishing vessel engaged in fishing as a fit this additional station or signal lights shapes or whistle signal shall so far as possible be such that they cannot be mistaken for any light shape signals authorized elsewhere under these rules. Section D. Traffic superstitions schemes may be adopted by the organization for the purpose of these rules. Section A. Whenever the government concerned shall have determined that a vessel of